Just take it easy at the beginning.
Jane fought,
One step at a time.
has been an adventurer
I think our climb is 600 feet for this mountain.
her whole life.
That's better than 3,000. If it rains and it's a good time to paddle, we go paddling. If it's beautiful fall colors, we'll throw on a backpack and go out for the weekend backpacking.
We've got a good weather window now, right?
Oh yeah.
In 2021, she decided to embark on the adventure of a lifetime.
We were on the Appalachian Trail and we were attempting a through hike. So that would be hiking the whole trail, 2,200 miles in less than 365 days.
About 3 months and 1,000 miles in,
I would come to a hill and I would struggle to climb 20 steps, and I'd have to stop and catch my breath.
her focus changed from the views to her body.
And I'd be sweating bullets and I'd be short of breath and having chest pain. That's when I looked at my husband Clyde and just said, something's not right.
After weeks of discomfort, she and Clyde made the devastating decision to get off the trail.
It was heartbreaking. Yeah, absolutely heartbreaking.
This is your heart.
After several appointments near her home in the mountains, she wound up seeing a cardiologist in Charlotte who found her symptoms were spot on for hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, known as HCM.
It's basically characterized by increase in the wall muscle size of the heart. Now, for most of the muscles in our body, we like to have them bigger, but for the heart, we don't want it bigger.
You learn this, what's going through your head?
My life is going to be over. Yeah. Maybe not my life, that's probably a little melodramatic, but my life as I knew it.
It's a genetic disease that usually appears in teenage years, but for patients like Jane, it took until she was 55.
I think we can still make improvements.
Her doctors put her on a treatment plan, implanted a heart monitor, and within a few months, she made the daunting decision to get back on the Appalachian Trail.
Dr. Phelan just told me to listen to my body. And, if I'm having symptoms, slow down.
On September 22nd, she accomplished what she had set out to do before her diagnosis.
We summited Mount Katahdin and completed the trail. Not a through hike, but we hiked every single mile from Georgia to Maine.
A life achievement made sweeter for this adventurer,
It's definitely been the biggest accomplishment and the one I'm most proud of.
who saw her diagnosis as the next summit to conquer.
You really are incredibly proud of patients like Jane who can, take on a diagnosis like this, incorporate it into their lives, and then achieve something like that.
I tell people sometimes that the trail, it almost killed me, but it also saved my life.